Hey everyone, if your Brave browser download is failing, stuck, or not starting at all, don't worry. In this guide, I'll show you simple fixes to get Brave downloaded and installed successfully. First, make sure your internet connection is stable. A weak or interrupted internet is one of the most common reasons downloads fail. Next, restart your device. Yeah, this clears temporary glitches that might be blocking the download process. If the download still fails, try using another browser like Chrome or Edge. Sometimes the current browser itself can block or interrupt downloads. Another important step is checking your device storage. If your storage is full, the download won't complete. Sometimes antivirus software or firewall settings block downloads, so temporarily disable them and try downloading Brave again. If you're downloading from a browser, corrupted cache or cookies might be interfering. Yeah, clearing browsing data can fix download issues. Make sure you're downloading Brave from the official website. Third-party sites can sometimes cause broken or incomplete downloads. If the download still fails, switch to another network like mobile hotspot or Wi-Fi. Network restrictions can sometimes block large downloads. On Windows, try running your browser or installer as administrator. Yeah, this can fix permission-related download issues. If the file is corrupted, delete it and download a fresh copy. So a new download often fixes incomplete or broken installer files. And that's it. One of these methods should help fix Brave browser download failed issues and get it installed successfully. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.